There was one Maulana, he didn't want to do a jumma bayan. So anyway, the musallis forced him. They said, no, you have to do the jumma bayan. You can't just get away all the time. So he said, no problem. So he sat on the mimbar and he says, do you all know what I'm going to be speaking about? So they all nodded their head that yes, obviously going to speak about Iman, Amal. So he said, if you all know what I'm going to be speaking about, what's the point of doing the bayan? He came down. So the next Friday, they all made mashwara. They said, we're going to catch him again. They put him forcefully on the mimbar. They said, do you all know what I'm going to speak about? They all said, no, we don't know. He says, if you all don't know what I'm going to speak about, what's the point explaining? I'm going to waste my time. He came down again. The other week, the third week, they got even more smarter. They said, half of us will say yes, half of us will say no. So again, he said, you all know what I'm going to speak about? So half of them nodded their head yes, half said no. He said, those that know what I'm going to be speaking about, explain to those that don't know what I'm going to be speaking about. Bayan is over. So in the same way, if the miracle has been passed, just tell me it's passed, then I'll also get off the mimbar.